breaking news. The Dallas Mavericks won the NBA lottery.
Grabe yan.
They won the Cooper Flag sweepstakes. And the first thing that this man thought of was...
Is that...
Okay,
ako na magsasabi. Okay. I thought the NBA did a good job of, making a box office movie with this Anthony Davis trade. Ang galing. Kakaiba. Kumbaga, kung nandito yan sa Pilipinas, panalo na sa MMFF. Tama ba? Metro Manila Film Festival. Tama. MMFF. So, I mean, ito rin yung nangyari eh. Isipin mo what was that? 1.8% yung chance mo mag number 1 pick. Yung iba di hamak, mas mataas. I think this is only the 5th time in NBA history, less than 2%, no? Alam mo kung ano yung una? Alam mo kung ano yung una?
What?
1.75 ata.
Sino?
The jersey you're wearing.
Shaq?
The trade for Penny. Anong year
Chris
ba si
Webber?
Penny? I think yan yun eh.
That's the Chris Webber
Yeah,
trade.
yeah. I believe yan yun eh. Anong year na si Penny?
Nauna si Shaq, di ba?
Yeah. Shaq was 91, I believe.
Yeah. I think
93 eh. 93 yung si Penny eh. So yeah, it was Penny in the Webber trade. So, grabe yun. And then parang pang 5th ang Dallas. No? So, and if you remember, the last time this happened, it was Anthony Davis was involved in this. Traded, to the Lakers. And lo and behold, number 1 pick after that season for the next year. Okay, Pelicans. That resulted into Zion Williamson. So, tingnan natin if they will keep the pick. I think they're considering to trade that maybe for Giannis. Who knows? Maybe Giannis first round pick and then Gafford. That would be nice.
Ito na sabihin ko sa'yo So, you are hinting that the lottery in the NBA is rigged.
No.
I think that's what you're doing. And LeBron James also is hinting at the same thing. Nag-tweet si LeBron.
He did?
Oo, nag-tweet siya.
Just like how he was drafted sa Cleveland?
Crying yung cry laugh emoji. Oo, nag-tweet siya during the draft lottery.
What?
So,
I mean, we will never know. If it's true, they will never admit to it. Whatever conspiracy ito, no? But, hey, kumakagat kasi tayo eh. Di ba? Yun naman yun eh. Di ba? At the end of the day, negosyo to. Di ba? And kung ano yung, I guess, giving what the people want, I mean, Cooper Flag in Dallas, that'll be nice too.